been using the vitamin C for about a week now, and I'm doing my warming peel 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It can be used 2 to 3 times a week, so that is helping my skin become smoother and clean out all the impurities, which I am loving. It's the warming peel. Then I go ahead and apply the vitamin C, which is really potent. It has the strength of 30 oranges, and it does help to brighten up the skin. So I just put it all over my face, and apparently it also helps for bags, so hopefully it does. I mean, I've been using it. I really don't put in so much under my bags, but last night I slept only like 4 hours, so hopefully this will help me today. And I do notice that my skin feels a lot smoother. It's looking brighter. My spots, I had 2 spots, and they are lighter. They're becoming lighter. So I put that on just like that, and I let just wait a few minutes. And I also use the lip treatment with vitamin C, and my lips just feel smooth. It gives them a little bit of a plump. Also, it just hydrates them and conditions them. So I love this one. It's really great. Then I go ahead and use my Dual Elixir, which is an awesome product. It's been out for about a couple of months already, and it's just the skin again. This all work together, the serum and the oils to hydrate the skin, to firm. So this is my morning routine. Every morning, every evening, I do this. I noticed that my laugh lines are less, they're not as deep as they were since I've been using the Dual Elixir serum. So I do put them under my bags as well, and just give it a little bit of a massage, not so much. And this is, again, I do this every morning and every night. I have to clean my face, wash it, and it makes me feel good about myself. After that, I let it just penetrate for about a couple of minutes, and then I do my my moisturizer cream, my day cream, and then my night cream, and also an eye treatment. Well, with the new elixir, I'm just trying it right now without the eye treatment, but I do usually do the eye treatment. And I have been trying this for maybe about a month also. This is a Anew Hydration Fusion. So it hydrates the skin, it plumps it. So each product has its own responsibility, basically its own function. Just as one of the Avon's reps shared with us, Teresa said, like, when you go to the doctors, you have different medications that a lot of people take, for diabetes, for cholesterol, for high blood pressure, for, just different things that you do have to take that work to help your body in different areas. So the same thing is with the different skincare. Some, like the vitamin C, treat it brightens the skin, it gives it a radiance, restores it. Then you have the Dual Elixir, which is firmer. It firms the skin, it texturizes it, it hydrates. And then your skincare moisturizer, that it can, you know, it depends what your need is. And hydration is just important to keep those wrinkles out of our faces. So this is like a gel formula, and it just helps again to hydrate that skin. And usually then I do the moisturizers, or you can do the Magix skin primer that has SPF 20. So again, I just apply them. And you can see my cheekbones are high because I didn't sleep well. I actually had to take the restful sleep natural pills last night to help me sleep a little bit. My concealer and so on.